Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and let's get right to it. I have a couple packages that came in. I have a Pullip doll. I have a Blythe doll. Let's see who I did get. All right. Well, they packaged this really nice. Dear Marna, thank you for your purchase. Well, that's very nice. Okay. I reuse, if you get something from me and the bubble wrap looks a little jaded, well, it is, because I reuse all of this bubble wrap in one way or another. Why buy when, so what if it's two pieces taped together instead of one piece? Oh gosh, she is cute. Oh, you know what? I wanted to get that other one and compare them. She's right around the corner. But we can do that later too. Oh my God, she's so cute. This is a Pullip Little. I am brand new to Pullips. And when I say brand new, I mean never held one before. I bought my large or regular size Pullip. And I also wanted to get a little. Oh my God, she's cute. Oh gosh, and I know her name. I can't think of it. Pull-ups, littles, have bend at the waist. Their legs go up and out, not out, up and down. Their arms go up and down, and that's it. Let's see. Ooh, I want to be careful. I do not feel a bend, you know, like with wire. Look how cute her hair is. Oh my God. And look at that itty bitty bow. Oh, she's so cute. They do have tilt to their head, which makes them like have expression. And that little outfit's adorable, just adorable. No earrings. I love the eyes. And she came with, I got a really good deal on her. And she came with her little stand and box. I think it said a bag was missing, and that was it. I'll have to look that up. Quite honestly, at this point, I just wanted to see one and get a feel for them. Isn't that cute?
The box says Mickey on it.
Oh yeah, it is Mickey. I was thinking Mary, but yeah, thank you for noticing that. I should have. And then I got another one of those Blindbag Blythe dolls. These are licensed by Hasbro, who holds the Blythe license. It changed hands a few times. And at this point, if you want to do something Blythe, you have to go through Hasbro. All right. So let's see. I don't want to pull out the card and give it away. Oh, please let it not be a repeat. I've bought several of these. Let me get the stand. Okay, I'm cheating. I didn't see it, though. It was the other way. So it'll be a surprise to me. These are cute. They're like figurines. I get these on AliExpress. I pay less than $5 for them, and I love them. Oh, I got to repeat. I did get her before, but she's cute. Their heads do pivot, look up and down and side to side, as well as pivot. And they come with, it's got a little peg here. They come with, oh, here it is. The little stand. I'm making sure there's nothing else in there. The girls that stand up have a stem to their stands. This one just sits right inside there. So this is like a scratch off when you get a repeat. Oh, maybe it goes this way. You know, I remember the last one, we had to really shove it in there. Let me set it down and shove. There we go. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. There are 12 different Little Blythe figurines, and I would like to have them all. I don't know that I will, and they each come with a card that I don't know why. It's just something cute.
Remind our name.
And they're made by Street Snap. Very cute. You see your name? Pink Boom. Okay. Just for fun, I wanted to show you my factory Pullip Little as compared to the, and I don't know if this is from the Groove Company or the John Planning company. Like I said, I'm brand new to this. And I don't
It says
know.
Groove on the
It
front.
does say Groove. Okay, there you go. This is a Groove. This is a, some people call them China knockoffs or fakies. I hate that. They're just little dolls. But there is a difference. They come in at about the same size. I'm holding them shoulder to shoulder or foot to foot. This doll seems to have a longer neck than this doll. This doll has more of a normal neck, but I think they did that for the pivoting. They both pivot. I have to say I prefer this hair, although that's not a real fair comparison because of the curl in Mickey's hair. This is a little stouter doll than this is, made with better plastics. This is very shiny. I prefer the matte faces. I just wanted to show you because I had it here and Darren was kind enough to say, would you like to do that comparison? Yes, of course I would. So there you go. That's the differences and similarities between these two. This is Mickey, and I went and got a Hasbro petite or miniature or Littlest pet store Blythe, whatever you want to call it. And I wanted to show you the difference between them. And just as the full size and Neo Blythe have differences, these do too. If you look at the feet, that's about the right proportion for the difference between the full size. Their eyes are, of course, different. Their heads, the Littlest pet store Blythes do have tilt to their head for forward and back, but their knees, oh no, they don't. Those are the mini Blythes that do that from Allie. Their legs are straight, just like the Little Pullips. But you can see the difference in their faces, consistent to what the full-size Pullip is and the full-size Neo Blythe doll. I just wanted to show you that real quick. It really looks like their arms are the same length. I just don't want to undress her right now, but their arms look pretty much the same length. Their bodies, I would say the Pullips, just like the full-size dolls, have a longer body, not a lot, but it's the legs. The Pullips really have nice long legs. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Leave a comment. Let me know how you like my new girls, and subscribe.